Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 4 divided by 2 times 3 plus 3 squared minus 20. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do these parentheses, and inside these parentheses we have this addition and this exponent. First we have to do this exponent, which is 3 squared, and 3 squared gives us 9. So our expression equals 4 divided by 2, then times 3 plus 9 minus 20. No, 3 plus 9 equals 12. 4 divided by 2, then times 12 minus 20. And here we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So we first do multiplication or division. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. So first we do 4 divided by 2, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 12 minus 20. 2 times 12 equals 24, and 24 minus 20 just give us 4. Therefore, our final answer to this problem is 4.